Now Miss Wang and myself are going to demonstrate a fun game that you could play at home with your students. Please keep in mind, parents, we are providing you a cheat sheet so that you don't have to solve the problems yourself, but your student gets all the practice. So we're going to do our first cards here. I have 1/1.
And I have 3/5.
So remember, we want to turn these into a decimal. So we're both going to demonstrate that math.
So first, you're always right. Make sure you correctly write the fraction out. 3/5. Then remember, top in, bottom out. So you go 5 divided into 3. Again, 5 cannot go into 3. We have to add our decimal and our 0. 5 goes into 30 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Then I get a remainder of 0. I go ahead and stop there, bring up my decimal. So now I know that 3/5 is equal to 6/10.
Now looking at the card that I have 1/1. So I'm going to write this using division. That's 1 divided by 1. And as we know, 1 goes into 1 one time. That is a whole number 1. So many students will also write this as 1.0 so that they can see where the decimal lands. Now it's up to you and your student to compare if 1 is greater or if 6/10 is greater. Whoever has the greater card takes both, and the person at the end with the higher amount of cards wins the game. So in this case, my number is bigger, so I will take both cards and we would move on to our next one.